Money. Money.
And I thought we'd talk a little bit about bi-weekly payments with your bank. I am in the mortgage arena. That's my expertise. And I thought it'd be good to bring this in. Just we're getting a little towards the holiday, thinking about saving money, also thinking about budgeting and doing things different next year. And bi-weekly payments to pay your mortgage off quicker might be something that you're thinking about. So I want to give you some things to consider before doing that. Numerous companies say that you can save lots of money by settling up bi-weekly mortgage payments, and all you have to do is pay an enrollment fee, a few $100s, and a small monthly handling fee, and the payment company will handle the rest. It doesn't make financial sense when if you could just do this yourself, because you could save those handling fees and that small monthly fee. So if you don't have to pay the company to reap the benefit of making half of the mortgage payment every 2 weeks, to understand why, you need to know why bi-weekly payment companies do this. Just as important, what they don't do. So what companies do help, they make an extra mortgage payment each year, and this will save you thousands of dollars and shave years off of your 30-year loan. So this is true. What they don't tell you is how they apply those payments. They're not applied immediately to your loan balance. When you enroll into the biweekly payment program, you authorize the company to debit your bank account electronically every 2 weeks. The money goes into an account controlled by the payment company. When the company has debited your account twice, it has enough to make your full payment, which sends your mortgage payment to the servicer. Now, the magic of a biweekly payments is based on the fact that there are 52 weeks in a year. So when your bank account is debited every 2 weeks, you make 26 half payments a year, equating to 13 monthly payments. An extra payment a year makes a big difference when you look at that amortization schedule. So for an example, if you borrowed $100,000, let's just say at a 6% interest rate over a 30-year period, you would pay about $600. Monthly principal and interest payment. Now, let's say taxes and insurance bring the monthly payment to $1,000. By making an extra $1,000 payment every year, you would pay off the mortgage in just about 22 years, knocking almost 8 years off the loan and saving about $34,000 in interest. So save this same amount each month by doing it yourself. So you can just actually make an extra payment a year. There are several ways to get this benefit. You can save up your money and make the extra payment each December, or on any month that you choose, telling the mortgage servicer that the extra money should go towards principal. Now, this is important that you want to direct them where to put it, because otherwise sometimes they might just put it into your escrow account if they're not directed and know what to do. So you want to make sure that you specify that. Or you could divide your monthly payment by 12 and send that amount plus your regular payment every month, again, instructing the mortgage servicer to apply that towards principal. Now, some lenders will let you write one check that includes the regular mortgage payment plus an extra towards principal. Other lenders are going to prefer that you write two checks, one for the regular mortgage payment and the extra towards principal. So make sure that you're asking what method that you want to follow, and again, just directing it to go directly towards principal. Otherwise, it's going to go into an escrow account and sit there until you pay off your mortgage, which is not going to do you any savings. So if you pay a company to debit your checking account every 2 weeks and automatically make that extra payment for you every 12 months, with most services, you would pay one online setup fee for about $200 or $500 plus your service fee, which is $250 to $450 for each biweekly payment. So over 20 years, you would end up paying at least $1,600 in fees. So I don't know about you, but an extra $1,600 can be used for something. Maybe it can be used to get things set up with my next guest that I'm going to talk with on Sandra. So that's a little bit for Money Chat. And coming up next on the Money Hour, it's all about time for you to get health insurance. Sandra Early with Early Insurance Solutions right here on 1150 AM KKNW after this short break.